Hey everybody, so for today's video it's going to be very interesting. It's something different. It's the first time I'm doing this, but we are going to replace the frontal on a factory made wig. So if you guys can see, that frontal is done. You can see right through it. It needs to be replaced. So the first step, you want to just go ahead and separate the hair from the frontal and the wig. You also want to make sure that you have the back of the wig pinned down so that way it doesn't move as you're cutting. You want to cut right before that first track. Do not, I repeat, do not cut the track or your wig will fall apart. You need to only be cutting the lace. So you're going to cut right before the track. So look at this. Look, voila. It's done. It's off. I was sweating, but I'm so excited. We're going to throw that in the trash because that is a hot mess. This is the new frontal. I like to cut off the sides of my frontal, so I'm just showing you that here. We now want to position the frontal to match up with the unit. You want to make sure that the ends of the frontal matches with the ends of the unit. Once it is positioned, you want to take your pin and you want to start off in the center. Do not pin on the left or the right because it's going to shift by the time you get it all done. So you want to start in the center. That way it doesn't go nowhere. Then you can proceed to the left side and the right side. You can use as many pins as you desire to get it down. Make sure that it is flat. Make sure there's no humps and no lumps in the lace. All right, so now everything is pinned down. I'm just showing you guys it's all secure. And now we're gonna start stitching. So I did a little piece, just wanna show you guys. Now, one side is completely done. I'm so happy. This whole process was a new journey and I'm just so excited that she allowed me to do it. So now I'm just showing you guys the stitching. You can do whatever method you desire, the bridge method, the locking method, it doesn't matter. Just get the frontal stitched onto the back of the wig. You do not want to go too deep underneath that first track. You want to just use a little piece of the track and go through that. I hope that makes sense. If not, when you guys attempt this, you'll see exactly what I'm referring to. So she is done. She is replaced. She has a new frontal. I'm so excited. I'm happy with the results. I think it came out bomb, especially for it to be my first time. And this is the final results.